night of the aftermath of these storms. And we start with meteorologist Cassie Wilson.
So, Cassie, the National Weather Service also confirmed another tornado, that one in Prairie Village. So we had two last night.
That's right. Two EF1 tornadoes. The first one, yes, did damage Mill Valley High School, and that occurred at 10:31 p.m. through 10:36. Now, the National Weather Service still busy getting us the track and the width of that tornado as well as the peak winds. But that Prairie Village tornado started in North Prairie Village off of 79th Street, and it did end right into the Mission Hills area. This one was mainly an EF0, but it did have some EF1 pockets. That means winds did hit up to 90 miles per hour. So definitely a scary situation when you've got a severe thunderstorm moving through that has these quick spin up tornadoes that really don't last very long, but they can produce a lot of damage across the region. Now, tomorrow we return to storm territory here in Kansas City with a severe window between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. Damaging wind, quarter-size hail, and the possibility of quick spin up tornadoes along a line of thunderstorms returns to the forecast. We'll take a closer look at that and talk about that storm timeline straight ahead.
Thank you, Cassie. Of course,